Ever found yourself scratching your head wondering whether to use a SQL table or a view for your database needs? It's a common puzzle, especially among developers and those managing databases. Knowing when to use a table and when a view is more appropriate can significantly enhance your database's performance, tighten security, and simplify management. These elements are crucial for maintaining an efficient and secure data environment. Now, why does this matter? Let's delve into the specifics to clear up any confusion. Starting off with performance and usage, how do tables and views really stack up against each other? Tables, the stalwarts of the database world, physically store your data. This means that when it comes to fetching this data, tables are generally quite speedy. They're like the reliable hard drives of data storage. You ask for something and it's right there, where you left it. On the flip side, views are a bit like having a personal assistant who fetches data for you. They don't store data themselves. Instead, they execute saved SQL queries to dynamically generate data when you need it. This can be incredibly useful for handling complex queries by breaking them down into simpler, more manageable parts. However, this convenience can come with a cost. Because views generate data on the fly, they can sometimes slow down your database performance, especially if they're not properly indexed or if they're drawing from vast datasets. While tables offer speed for straightforward data retrieval, views provide flexibility and abstraction for complex queries. Now let's talk about security and management. Which is more secure? Which is easier to manage? When it comes to bolstering database security, views are quite the secret keepers. By creating a view, you essentially set up a controlled window into your tables. This means you can limit what data users can see and interact with, without ever exposing the underlying full datasets. It's a bit like giving someone binoculars to see just a part of the landscape, not the whole panorama. Furthermore, views are champions of change management. Imagine you need to alter how data is presented to your users. With views, you simply update the view itself. All the end users accessing this view automatically see the updated data without any disruption. It's seamless and efficient. On the flip side, managing tables directly involves more layers. Any permissions or changes you apply affect the actual stored data. This requires a meticulous approach to prevent unintended consequences or data breaches. Views offer superior options for security and simplified management, though they require thoughtful implementation. Let's quickly recap the key points about SQL tables and views. Tables, the backbone of any database, are your go-to for direct and swift access to data. They store your data physically, making retrieval operations straightforward and fast. On the flip side, views shine when it comes to handling complex queries. They act like a customizable lens, providing enhanced security and simplifying data management by not altering the underlying physical schema. Now that you understand the differences and uses of SQL tables and views, you're better equipped to optimize your database according to your specific needs.